As you probably already know, Danfoss Drives is known for delivering high-quality products. But we always strive to get even better. That's why we've introduced a feedback button in most of our MyDrive software tools products, giving users a direct line to our tools developers to share their thoughts and help us improve. In MyDrive Suite, as in most of our MyDrive tools, you can easily find the feedback button in the bottom menu. Look for a distinctive red button featuring a paper airplane icon. This button allows you to share your thoughts and suggestions directly with our development team, helping us continuously improve your experience. I will now demonstrate the different options you have to send us feedback. If you run into any unexpected issues or bugs, please use the Report a Bug button to help us improve the system. To help us understand your feedback, please provide your email address, a brief title and a clear description of the issue you're experiencing. From here, you can either take screenshots or record a short video. To capture a screenshot, look for the square icon with circles in the corners. You might be asked if you want to give access to the screen. Press Allow. Now you will have the possibility to make highlights, draw lines, make arrows, black out areas, write text, and choose color. Here used for coloring with the pencil. By pressing Next you will get back to the Report a Bug dialog. You can here see the added screenshot. You can also add multiple screenshots by pressing the plus button. Now you can see there is 2 added screenshots. I will now present to you how to make a screen video instead of the screenshots. You can mute and unmute the microphone down in the left corner. Here you also start the video recording. When starting the recording, you will be asked for what you want to record. Then you will see a short countdown and the recording is started. Now you just show us what the issue is, and maybe highlight it with some drawings.
Wow, what a Picasso!
When done, press Stop in the down left corner. It is only possible to add one 3 minutes long video. By pressing Submit, you will now send the issue to our system, and we will look into it. You will also receive an email confirming that it's sent. All forward communication on this matter will now be communicated on our feedback user interface. You will receive an email with a link when there is some information we would like to share with you. If you miss a feature that you think is needed, feel free to let us know with the feature request. It works in the same way as the Report a Bug with screenshots and screen video. You also have the possibility to let us know what you think of the tool in general by making a general feedback. It works in the same way as the report a bug with screenshots and screen video, with the additional that you can give us up to 5 stars and attach and file. The last possibility you have is to contact us at one of our service places. Our contact list homepage will help you with finding the right place for you.